Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Subi and today's special is Karachi biscuits and also chocolate roll biscuits. So I've made three varieties. One is the Karachi biscuit and the chocolate rolls and chocolate rolls with the Tutti Frutti. So this biscuit is one of the special biscuits from Hyderabad and it's supposed to be called as Karachi biscuit. Probably it originated from there. And one speciality is that I've not added I've not added any egg or baking soda. So
I ate one.
okay, so let's get into the video. Before we get into the video,
Make sure to like and subscribe to my mom's channel and be sure to click that sad notification bell.
so you saw the ingredients and I'm going to give tips for the usage of each of the items. So for the flour, you need to take a very fine powdered flour. It shouldn't be rough like semolina. This should be really fine, smooth, extra smooth is good. And 125 grams of butter, it should be in room temperature. And the powdered sugar, it should be like grinded with 1 piece of cardamom. So in Indian kitchen, if you'll see, like we always have powdered cardamom, but it's also mixed with a little bit of powdered sugar. So actually we grind it together. That gives a flavor as well as a small taste to any of the curries you add. So also the salt, you know that adding salt enhances the taste of the sugar. So a pinch of salt is enough. And I'm using Granco's cocoa powder or the chocolate powder. You can also use the Horlicks or the other chocolate powders you have it at home. This also has a little bit of sugar in it, so that's actually good for the kids. Vanilla sugar, you can also use the vanilla essence instead of the sugar. And I'm soaking the Tutti Frutti because this absorbs a lot of water and it remains soft even after you bake the cookies. So it won't become hard, and when you're biting the biscuits, this also remains soft along with the biscuit. So let's start making it. You can see the butter is soft and it's at room temperature, so it will be easy to it will be easy to
Mix.
Yep.
Is that sodium or?
It's powdered sugar. Vanilla sugar. Whip it at least for 1 minute and then we can add the salt. I'm adding, you can see it's really a pinch of salt. Troszkę, troszkę. We have to add 2 cups. First, initially I'm adding 1 cup of it. Now the dough is ready and I'm going to knead it along with the Tutti Frutti. I filtered the Tutti Frutti and you can see, like, you know, it has absorbed enough water. And I did not mention what kind of Tutti Frutti is this. This is made from papayas, oranges, from the orange peel and the papaya peel.
Wow.
So next is cutting it. Before we cut into slices, I'm going to keep it in fridge for at least 20 minutes or 30 minutes and then we can cut it into slices. Before that, I have just made it into a cuboid shape. So you can see.
It looks like a baguette.
No, it's a cuboid. No? A rectangle 3D thing.
Ah, wait. If you add like this,
I can cut it into squares, no?
Yeah,
like
but
this.
if you add like this, if you add like push it like down, it would be like a train.
Okay, so I'm going to roll it and keep it in the fridge. Yeah. So I'm taking for the chocolate cookies, that was the Karachi cookies, and this is for the chocolate cookies. It's very simple. Same amount of dough you can make and take equal halves. One you can keep it aside. In the other one, I'm going to mix with at least 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder or chocolate powder.
I love cocoa powder.
This is raw. I cannot eat.
You're adding everything?
No, we must keep 3 tablespoons so that it's completely chocolatey. This is done. Like this, in 2 baking papers, you need to let's flatten this out. It's sticky. Yeah. I'm just going to flatten it out like using my hands. Little helpers are always good. Okay, now I'm going to put this on top of this and roll over. Roll over. I believe it doesn't break. No.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, this is ready. So again, this I'm going to put it in the fridge for some
20 to 30 minutes, you said.
yes, exactly 20 to 30 minutes.
Did you forget?
No.
Cheating.
Okay, probably I did. Okay, so let's put this in the fridge. Okay. Ta-da! After 20 minutes from the fridge, it will be saying there's no magic. It just will be a little bit firm and
Magic isn't real.
okay.
Can I cut it?
No,
Oh man.
please wait. So I'm going to cut it
3,
in.
2, 1.
Why the cutting is important is it has to be in even shape so that you know the baking for the same time everything will be cooked in the same manner, you know.
Wow, the inside is so cool.
So our first batch is going to be ready.
And the second batch.
Second batch will be our chocolate cookies. So,
Yummy.
slowly soft. At 160 degrees, you have to bake it for at least 25 minutes or 30 minutes. Let it be slow cooking so that it doesn't turn into proper brown. It will be remaining in this beautiful light yellow color and it is also soft. For the chocolate flavored cookie,
It's the same. Now it's cut it. Wow, the inside is so cool. It's spiral.
See how beautiful this is?
It's like spiral. Wow.
So we can arrange before the other cookies are ready. Our beautiful chocolate rolled cookies are ready and we have to just bake it.
I'm copying you.
Okay. Once the Karachi biscuits are ready, this will go in the next batch and I'm going to show you the full set of cookies together. Soft.
Yummy.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.